In today's video, I will walk you through how to add emotions in ElevenLabs. Before you begin adding emotions, make sure you're using the 11v3 model. This model supports emotion tags that let you guide the AI's delivery throughout your script. Once you've selected the V3 model, you can begin entering your text. Whenever you want the voice to speak with a specific emotion, place an emotion tag inside square brackets immediately before the section of text where you want that emotion to be used. For example, if you want part of your script to sound excited, type the word excited inside opening and closing square brackets before that sentence. When the audio is generated, the AI will use a more energetic delivery for that section. You can repeat this process with other supported emotions as needed. If you want the voice to sound calm, insert the calm tag inside square brackets before the appropriate text. If another section should sound nervous, place the nervous tag inside square brackets before that sentence. If you want a more emotional delivery, you can also use the sorrowful tag in the same way. The important part is placing each emotion tag before the text where you want that particular emotion to be heard. This allows you to change the emotional delivery throughout your script, instead of using only one tone from beginning to end. The V3 model also supports reaction tags that can add extra expression to your voiceover. These work similarly to emotion tags and are also placed inside square brackets. If you want the voice to laugh at a certain point, insert the laugh tag inside square brackets where you want the reaction to occur. If you'd like the voice to whisper, insert the whisper tag inside square brackets before the part of the script that should be spoken more quietly. As you continue writing your script, you can combine different emotion and reaction tags wherever they're needed. Simply place the appropriate tag before the text you want to affect, and continue writing the rest of your script normally. Before generating your audio, review your script to make sure each tag is enclosed correctly inside square brackets and appears in the correct location. This helps ensure the V3 model recognizes every instruction when generating the speech. Once everything looks correct, generate your voiceover and listen to the finished result. If you'd like to change how a section sounds, adjust the emotion or reaction tag, or move it to a different location, then
Whether you
generate the
use
audio
multiple
again.
periods in
That's
your
all there is to
text,
it. By using the 11v3 model together with emotion and reaction tags placed inside square brackets, you can create voiceovers with different emotions, laughter, whispers, and other expressive moments throughout your script, giving you much more control over the final audio. Thank you for watching.